It starts with a skill. It starts with knowledge, with an action, a decision to learn. It starts here at Omexom Institute, an international network of technical training centers across countries, across expertise, connected by a shared mission, focused on preparing a skilled workforce ready to meet the evolving demands of the energy sector. It starts with those who share, trainers, experts, mentors. Their knowledge becomes the foundation for the next generation. It starts with learning by doing, with hands-on experience, with real-world demonstrations, with virtual reality, with innovation, research, and technical excellence, with programs developed in partnership with universities to engage the next generation, with training that fosters confidence and a culture of safety embedded in every task. It starts with the realization that urgent action is needed to meet the rising demand for skilled energy professionals. With a growing network, new tailor-made technologies, new ways of learning, because every skill mastered locally strengthens our global impact. And this global reach, combined with a deep understanding of local challenges, powers innovation, builds trust, and creates new business opportunities. This is how Omexom turns expertise into advantage and local solutions into lasting global growth. It starts with them, with her, with him, with all of us, because knowledge shared is knowledge that moves forward. We all are source of knowledge. We all are the source of the energy of tomorrow.